Gates open. They're up and racing. Petronas moving up by the rail is entry number 1. The reason why Adonis running on the outside to take second, then followed by King Rick. Petronas shuffle back in fourth, down in fifth. Jacqueline's Diamond. Blue Material second last, and trailing the group is Camela Bang. As they race towards the half-mile pole, now we have the reason why takes the lead over Adonis in second. King Rick racing in third. Petronas still in fourth, down in fifth by the rail is entry number 3. Jacqueline's Diamond, Blue Material, and Camela Bang in that order. As they rounded the last 600, Adonis running by the rail. The reason why is on the outside. Getting closer in third, King Rick together with Petronas as they race at the last 450. Adonis, the reason why King Rick moving up in between runners is Petronas. And down the stretch they come. The reason why Adonis by the rail, Petronas in between runners. King Rick is on the outside. Petronas now takes the lead over the reason why Adonis and King Rick with 75 meters of the race. It's going to be Petronas. Second, the reason why Adonis, King Rick, Blue Material, Jacqueline's Diamond, and Camela Bang.
Okay, 516